Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to do a fast science story, air and weather book. And there's so many kites on the photo. Developed by Lawrence Hall of Science, University of California at Berkeley. Okay, so this book has a table of contents because it's a little bit more extensive. What is all around us? We can't see it, but it's all around. It's in the sky, it's in the treetops, it's on the ground, it's near and far, high and low. What is it? Air. We cannot see air, but we know it is there. What happens when you blow up a balloon? You fill it with air. You can see that air takes up space. You can also feel air on your skin when the wind blows. Wind is moving air. We can tell that air is there when we fly a kite. The wind pushes against the kite and keeps it in the sky. We can tell that air is there when a parachute floats to the ground. Air pushes up against the parachute so it comes down slowly. Even this boat shows us that air is all around. Propellers on the back of the boat push on the air. The boat moves forward. So what is all around us, everywhere we go? You know. What is the weather today? Lots of things happen in the air. The temperature can change from warm to cold. Clouds may form and rain may fall. The wind can start to blow. The condition of air at a certain time is called weather. How do you know what the weather will be today? One way to find out is to look outside. If the sky is dark and cloudy, you know it might rain. If it is sunny, you know it won't rain. At least not right away. Clouds are made of little drops of water. If there is a lot of water in a cloud, the cloud looks gray. The water drops may get bigger and bigger. They may fall as rain. Or if the air is cold enough, it snows instead. Some days it looks as if clouds are sitting on the ground instead of floating in the sky. The air feels wet and you can't see very far. These clouds near the ground are called fog. The weather you see when you look outside may change. A day may start out bright and sunny. Later, clouds may form. Soon the sky is filled with them. If there's enough water in the clouds and the drops get big enough, it will rain. A storm can blow in and out in an afternoon, or a storm may stay around for days. Weather is in the air, and air is all around you. You feel and see the weather every day, all the time. So go outside, enjoy the weather. It may change tomorrow. Understanding the weather. Some people study the weather. They are called meteorologists. They use instruments to gather information about the weather. Meteorologists measure the temperature of the air. They watch clouds form. They measure wind speed and direction. Weather balloons carry weather instruments high into the sky. The weather instruments gather information. This information helps meteorologists tell us what the weather will be. Sometimes weather is dangerous. Meteorologists can be helpful at these times. They can help us know when to get ready for a storm. A tornado is a twirling, cloudy storm. A tornado's winds blow around and around very quickly. A hurricane is a very big, strong, wet storm. Hurricanes form over warm ocean water. Lightning can be dangerous. It is important to learn safety rules to be prepared for storms. Seasons. In many areas, the seasons bring different kinds of weather. fall, leaves change color and drop from the trees. Squirrels find food for the winter. A cool wind blows. We put on our sweatshirts to play in the leaves of autumn. Winter, trees stand bare, few animals stir. Snow starts to fall to the ground. We bundle up to keep ourselves warm before we go sledding outdoors. Spring, leaves grow on trees, flowers bloom, birds are building their nests, the air warms up, and we go out to play in the warm, soft breezes of spring. Summer, the sun shines brightly on a hot summer day. There isn't a cloud in the sky. The trees give us shade. We can make lemonade. Then we're off to the beach nearby. The seasons can make everything look different. Which season do you see in each picture? How can you tell? So this is like winter. This looks like summer. This looks like autumn and spring. Okay, and there's a nice glossary of words to study. That they talk about in the book, actually. So all key words, key vocabulary words, and then there's a credits page. So this is a very nice book. And if you want to learn more about meteorologists and air and weather, feel free to go to the library or search the internet.